2 on 2. We got nigga Mike MoS and Golden Boy. We got Mississippi.
Adrian? Where, which one?
Mississippi. You got
He's trying to record.
Challenge, champions go first.
I'll go first. You already know.
Alright, ready?
By the homecoming shit. Oh shit, my bad.
Alright, keep it quiet, guys.
Hey, simmer down.
Be quiet before I get mad.
Okay. Let me go first. Spit a quick verse. We rapping, we're not about to converse. Your face is fucking ugly. It needs Jesus, so go to church.
Back and forth? Alright, go. If I'm weak and ugly, I bet I took your bitch to the movies last week, huh? And she came with a hickey on her neck, I told her that was from the other week. And then you came with your bag looking kind of sad, then I came and gave her a good dime bag. And then she came for me, and yeah, she came in my sleep. She snuck in my window, she said I needed something to eat. She wanted cuddle and butter, I gave her this D. Hold on, look. I come very drastic and your bitch is kinda trashy. Any nigga want the problems I know I'm finna handle. I got the AKs and revolvers and problems, they wanna solve them. Any nigga got the revolver, I got the snub nose pointed to your head with the laser beam. Any nigga wanna try to come, you better go to the barber, get your fade clean. Any nigga wanna get it, you better check your money right, cause I got 6 digits a year and I ain't even get my money tight. Okay, Golden Boy. Golden Boy. Golden Boy. Go, Golden Boy.
Be quiet if I get mad.
Hey, simmer down.
One rebuttal.
What? Oh, one rebuttal already? Get your rebuttal.
What is it called?
This is Ray Rhyme 11. Ray's Rhyme 11.
What's another one for rebuttal?
Hey, simmer down. Hit him with that line. Golden Boy. Let's go, Golden Boy. Hit him with that line, Golden Boy. Oh, now you here. Alright, let's go. Come on. Look fun. Hit that. Golden Boy. Golden Boy, let's go.
Your shit sound rehearsed. So go somewhere and put your face down. You're ugly from the waist up and Chinese from the waist down.
That's it. No, he can't get on the homie and get away. He can't get on the homie and get away. He can't get on the homie and get away.
1-1. You can't do it. Yeah, no, it's 2 on 2. A.T.L. Atlanta.
Alright, go. See, when he came at the homie, he was already through. I'm gonna tell you like I told your girl, all I need you to do is blow. I got your girl low, and I treat her like a...
That's kind of gay.
No. I was really trying to tell this man that he really needs to go. Because if you keep talking trash, yeah, I put him on the floor. I end up at your door with the 9 and the K. Hit your mama in your face, and I tell your daddy have a good day.
Killer right here.
I ball hard like harder.
300.
But like Allen Iverson, you need to fade away. Because your rhymes ain't nothing, they ain't nothing but a joke. I got your girl hooked like she do coke.
Hey, Mike MoS. Let's go, Mike MoS. Last round. Kill off.
My name is Mike MoS. Better remember my name. I'm about to go insane. Bring a tang on your brain. Your hairline look like it's switching lanes.
Alright, back to D Woods. Let's go. Alright, go. Now listen up. Better know my name is D Woods, but I'm from the East though. I'm on the West, but I'm chilling with my kin folks. You know I get my education and I get good grades, but you know I'm sitting in the studio blowing this dojo away. I got the double cups with the lean, but you know what I mean. I got the chick in the back and she looking for me. She got the booty shorts and she looking nice with a nice waist. I tell her get on her knees and have a nice day. Send the prayers away. Your chick is praying like a praying mantis, and she wanna have it, but I'm not the one that she wanna dance with. And I get the mic and I rock the cradle, but your chick she wanna go. Okay. Go ahead, Golden Boy.
Get that Golden.
Let's go, Golden Boy. Hey, Golden Boy. Hey,
I am a rap god. So get on your knees, it's prayer time. You're like Knott's Berry Farm with that roller coaster hairline.
You, bro.
Hey, back up. Back up. Make the circle bigger, people.
Alright, there y'all go. Y'all go ahead. A.T.L.
Okay, they call me A.T.L. for all-time legend. We talk about God, but I took your girl to heaven. I could have did 2 minutes, but I decided to give it an hour. We went from the bedroom all the way to the shower. Yeah, now I done put you in a mess and you not well dressed. I dressed bummy today and I still look better than you. That didn't rhyme, I don't care. Cause I can kill you with a verse, yeah, I'll put you in the hearse. I'll treat you like a girl, somebody get this man a purse. Getting kinda sick, yeah, you better get a nurse. Cause what I spit is so ill. Michael Jackson give you thrills. I'm the realest thing you ever seen. And I ain't talking movie reels.
That's it. Where the judges at?
Alright, judge, right here.
Judges, hold on, Mr. Wynn.
You want to judge? I'm a judge. Yeah, you the judge.
Judging. Alright, come on, let's go.
Alright, let's hit it to the judges. What do you think, Ray?
My name is Ray. I'm from Cabrillo High School. I'm a 12th grader. I graduate this year.
Hey.
2015, though.
No, stop.
Yeah.
You know, this battle, it was really good, man. Like
Outstanding.
the best one we had this week. Who paid, bro? None of y'all? Alright. Not worth the paper. You know what? I think I need an OT.
OT?
Yeah,
OT. Can we get overtime? OT. Overtime?
This is really good.
Overtime. It was a really good battle. It was a really good battle.
One round. Alright, let's go.
No double overtime.
No triple overtime.
One overtime.
Alright, let's go. Alright, make the circle bigger, people. Back up.
There's only one person that's gonna rap.
You wanna rap with me?
You better rock your boat, man.
Oh, one person?
Alright, one-on-one. Who's going?
Golden boy.
1 versus 1.
Hurry up.
One-on-one?
Underlay.
Mike MoS.
Person.
Alright, go. Hit him, Mike MoS.
They want another round. I'ma finish you with the speed of sound. You see, beating me, that's just impossible. You look like the naked mole rat from Disney Channel's Kim Possible.
Where you from, boy?
Alright, let's go. Get him.
Ooh, kill him.
Everybody should leave because the show's about to be over. I came to your scene and I'm about to take over. But I ain't never been Drake, but I might leave you in the lake. You ain't nothing but an act and all I spit is straight facts. When I walk around, all your people give me doubt. And when you walk around, all your people just leave. So please just move while I'm getting to the green. I had your body leaning over like you been sipping lean.
That's it. Who to say?
Make you feel good.
Crowd decide.
Crowd, yeah.
Crowd.
Mike MoS and Golden Boy. How about you, LCL?
Bye.
Peace out. Hey, respect to D-Weds for the real lyrical. Hey, shout out, bro.
Shut up.
Shout out, bro.
2-1.
Shout out,
You went up for the beach, look.
Shout out to my nigga A1, Kendrick, J. Cole, Southside Trap Stars. We out here.
Give me on the camera. 2-1. We on the beach, you know.